Welcome student to the third video of Standard 7, How the State Government Works. In this video, we are going to check out who is an MLA. In the previous video, we had checked in with a story, okay, with the title Whose Responsibility, and we had the opposition party, people who were questioning the ruling party, MLA. Okay, now the MLA's duty it is to check out that the area gets the fresh water plus the people who are infected are being checked in, okay, and they are being seen that they are treated well, okay, from the infection which has been caused. So, we are going to check in, okay, who is an MLA. MLA, the full form of MLA is Member of Legislative Assembly. He is the elected representative of the people. He gets elected and he becomes the member of the Legislative Assembly. We just in the previous video, that is the second video, we had talked about the key terms and persons, and that we mentioned about the Legislative Assembly. So, the MLA goes to the Legislative Assembly. There they have the debate, discussion, okay. Forms government of state level. Let us have a look on the example. Let's try to understand through an example. India, now we are going to talk about a state and the Legislative Assembly. So, from the map of India, we are going to talk about Himachal Pradesh, and here you can see the Himachal Pradesh, and it has different constituencies which are there. Different constituencies. Total 68 constituencies are there with numbers you can check out, okay, from starting with 1 till 68. So, here election had taken place and we are going to check out with the story. Who is an MLA? State is divided in various constituencies. For example, we are going to talk about the Himachal Pradesh elections. It's divided in 68 constituencies. One representative is elected from each constituency. MLA from that constituency. Different MLA belongs to different political parties. There are lots and lots of MLAs from different parties. They stand from different parties and they are counted as the member of Legislative Assembly. Political party whose MLA have won more than half of the number of the constituencies in the state can be said to be in majority. What you understood from this? In political party, there could be MLAs who have won the election with majority. Now, in Himachal Pradesh, total 68 constituencies were there. Each constituencies, different parties MLA could stand. Okay, out of that, if in majority a particular party gets maximum number, then they are said to be having majority. Form the government. What will they do? The majority of that members will be forming the government and they will be known as the ruling party. One MLA out of them becomes the chief minister. Out of all this MLA who have won over, okay, with majority, whichever party in different constituencies, if they have maximum number compared to the other, then they will be forming the government and they will be known as ruling party. From the ruling party, one MLA, okay, one MLA out of them becomes the becomes the chief minister. Okay, so from the ruling party, there will be a chief minister. Then he selects the other ministers. Okay, governor appoints them. So, then MLA gets the chance to become the chief minister. After he becomes the chief minister, he gets the chance to appoint. He selects the other ministers. Governor is appointing them. All other members are called the opposition. Okay, now the MLAs who have not won in the election. The people who have won the election, they will be counted as the ruling party. The people who have lost the election, they will be counted as opposition party. Okay, let us understand with the example of Himachal Pradesh Assembly election in 2017. Here you can see, okay, there is a table which has been put up. This is the result of the assembly election in Himachal Pradesh. Result of assembly election in Himachal Pradesh in 2017. Political party, number of MLAs elected. You have Bharatiya Janata Party with 44 MLAs who have won. That is the result, okay. Indian National Congress, that is INC, they won by 21. Communist Party of India, that is Marxist, they won 1. Independents who do not belong to any of the party, people who do not want to stand for any of the parties, they have given 2 votes. So total making up of 44 plus 21 plus 1 plus 2. It's the sum total 68. So total 68 constituencies, different parties who were standing, out of which Bharatiya Janata Party, that is BJP, the result of the assembly election in Himachal Pradesh in 2017 won 44 seats. Okay, 44 constituencies they had won over. So obviously out of this table you can make out that the BJP party had won over. Majority party BJP with 44 seats, okay, they become the, means from their group one person will be becoming the chief minister, okay. So they will be forming the ruling party. Leader of the party becomes the chief minister. Chief minister and other ministers have the responsibility of running various government departments. MLA, ruling party and opposition meet to discuss various things. Where they will meet? In the Legislative Assembly. This we already talked. We will be seeing, okay, other video will be meeting. This much you have understood, children, who is an MLA. We will be seeing in the next video working of the government and legislative assembly. There will be a debate which will be taking place between the MLAs. Okay, we will be seeing a type of story which we will be trying to understand through an example. So, we will meet in the next video. Till then, take care of yourself. Bye-bye.